All right, today we're going to look at factoring quadrilaterals. I call this the X factor. What you have here is this is the first term, second, and third. Usually I take the last term, which in this case is a negative 15, make a big X and put it on top, minus 15. And then the middle term, I take it and put it on the bottom, negative 2. So now you want to ask yourself, what two numbers multiplied together will give you a negative 15, and if you add or subtract them, you get a negative 2. Because this is negative, then you know one of these numbers has to be negative and the other one has to be positive. So that means you're going to subtract the two numbers. If this number was positive, then both of these numbers are either positive or they're both negative, and you look at the middle term, and that'll tell you whether they're both positive or both negative. But because this is negative, you know one's positive and one's negative. That's the only way you can get a negative number. So because this is 15, what factors give you 15? 1 and 15, 3 and 5, and that's it. So now when you look at these two numbers, because this is minus, that tells me I'm going to subtract these two numbers. So what two numbers end up with 2? So the larger number, or the number furthest from 0, will get the middle term, which in this case is negative. So it'll be a negative 5 with a plus 3. So x minus 5 and x plus 3. So what two numbers you get here, those are your factors.